very good morning. My name is Syahera Natasha, binti Juni. I'm a student from Polytechnic Muka Sarawak. So for today, I'm going to review the book which I have read, which is The Big Book of Birds. As you can see, the author is Yuval Zomer. This book was written and dedicated to his niece, which is Shir Zomer. This book tells us about the bird species, their habitats, food preferences, their features, and also many more. As you can see, this book contains amazing illustrations which can capture the reader's attention, and in my opinion, this book is very suitable for children in between the age of 5 or 10 years old. Parents can introduce this book to their children, and also teachers can use this book for educational purposes. This is because they can introduce the nature to their children and also students. If you are interested in borrowing this book, you can use our book bear services, which we will send this book directly to your address. Thank you.